Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create United Airlines account. So if you also want to create United Airlines account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.united.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of United Airlines. Here you can see profile icon. All you have to do is click on it. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you already have an account, you can directly enter your email or minus plus number and then you'll be able to sign in. If you do not have an account and want to create one, click on the option create a minus plus account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to create the account, you'll have to go through three phases that are about me, address and security. Scroll down. Now you'll have to fill up these informations right over here. First of all, you'll have to provide your contact information. Enter your email address. Now you'll have to enter your phone number. Make sure to select your country code. Now enter your phone number right over here. Now you'll have to fill up your personal information. You'll have to select a title. It is optional. You can also skip it. Now enter your first name. Now enter your middle name if you have any. Enter your last name. Now you'll have to select a suffix. This is optional. You can also skip it. Now you'll have to provide your date of birth. Click on the month option. Select the month. Click on the day option. Type in the day. Now type in your year. Now select your gender. Scroll down. Now click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the second step. Now you'll have to provide your address informations. First of all, select your country. You can see several countries over here. Select the country of your choice. Now enter the address line 1. Now you'll have to provide your address line 2. This is optional. You can also skip it. Now you'll have to enter your city. Also enter the state. Now provide the postal code or zip code. Now click on the option create account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now here you'll have to create a password. Make sure your password must contain at least 8 characters and it must include at least 1 letter and 1 number. Make sure the password matches. Now click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can enable two-factor authentication over here. Scroll down and click on the continue option. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address. Open Gmail. Go to new tab. If you're using Google Chrome, you can open Gmail by clicking on the Gmail option that you can see right over here. You can see over here you'll receive a verification code. Click on it. You can see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Enter it over here. Now after entering the code, click on the continue option. Now you will also receive a verification code in your mobile number. After getting the code, what you have to do is enter the code over here. After that, click on the continue option. After that, your United Airlines account will be created. So that is how you create United Airlines account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.